In this short tutorial, I will show you how to delete call history on your Samsung device. Having a clear call history is essential, as it prevents others from seeing who you have been in contact with. Whether you want to remove specific calls or wipe out the entire log, I've got you covered. To get started, open up the phone app on your Samsung device. And then tap where it says Recents. Now you will be able to see a list of all the outgoing, incoming, and missed calls. This is the call history. If you want to delete something from the call history, tap on these three little dots at the right, and then tap Delete. Then tap and select the specific call that you want to delete, and then tap the Delete button at the bottom center. If you want to delete your entire call history, tap where it says All. And then tap Delete All at the bottom center. This is exactly how you can delete call history on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.